Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your site meets the basics. WordPress and PHP are up to date because performance and compatibility matter. Once done, install and activate the Only Way Events Calendar plugin. You need it live to proceed. Next, create a dedicated events page and add the plugin block or shortcode so you can view your calendar immediately. Make sure to save permalinks after activation so event URLs resolve correctly. This prevents 404s when you add items. Now you configure the calendar. Open Only Way settings and set time zone, date format, and week start to match your audience. This ensures event times display correctly. Then create categories, locations, and organizer profiles so each event inherits clean metadata and search filters work. When adding events, use the recurring rules for weekly or monthly items and define exact time zones for multi-day events. This structure helps filtering and prevents overlap. Once saved, preview events in list and month views to confirm. Finish by publishing events and testing every user flow, RSVP, ticket purchase, and calendar exports. Make sure integrations like Google Calendar Sync or iCal downloads and payment gateways are connected and using correct keys. Mistakes there break real bookings. If something fails, clear server and browser caches, disable recently added plugins to isolate conflicts, and inspect the browser console for JavaScript errors. If an issue persists, export a debug report from Only Way and contact support with reproduction steps so you get a focus.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.